Never heard before on YouTube. Popping chicharron. Let's taste it. And believe it or not, they're cooked in just 4 minutes. I'm really happy. Fun and quick to make chicharron here on Channel 1. Hello, welcome back to Channel 1. Your Korean uncle here, Romero. Tonight, I'm fancying chicharron. We're away from the homeland, and there are chicharrons available at the grocery store, but I forgot to buy some. So why don't we prepare an instant chicharron just in 4 minutes or so? You know, I just found this. Chicharron, instant chicharron, microwavable. If you are watching from the US, you have this. I've seen videos featuring this. How about you who are watching from the Middle East, where the consumption of pork is haram? Do you have it? How about in New Zealand and Australia and in the UK? We don't have it here. I bought this in Manila, and this is the first time I'll be trying this. That's why consider this as unboxing, unpacking. And let's find out how does this pair with the commercial chicharrons sold in the buses at bus stations and the popular lapids in the Philippines. Let's start. This is a bit tough. It is supplied with a bag, just like the bag used for popcorns. And it says, place the pork rinds into the bag and microwave. I need my glasses. Now it's clearer. Set the microwave oven at the middle highest temperature setting. Now, between 3 to 6 minutes, depending on microwave wattage, of course. For 800 watts, that's what I will be setting my microwave at, 2 to 4 minutes. That's a wide range, 2 to 4 minutes. For 700, it says 4 to 6. And adjust accordingly. Adjust the time in case of over or under cooking. Sprinkle with salt, flavor, or seasoning. Let's continue. So, I'll show you the pork rinds. It's still in the bag. Okay. But look. And place it in the bag. That's what it says. You know it's oily. What do we expect? It's pork rind. And fold 3 times, it says. Well, that's suggested. And into the microwave. It says 2 to 4 minutes. I'll set it at 4 minutes. While waiting for this, how about some cultural notes? Chicharron is not unique to the Philippines. Chicharron bao is not unique to the Philippines. It's known all throughout Latin America and South Spain. To most of them, their chicharron has more flesh. In the Philippines, that's special. Chicharron special, may laman, as the sellers would advertise their chicharron. Chicharron with double R. I'm smelling it now. I hope you can smell it too. I didn't hear it pop. It's strange, I'm not hearing it puff. Should it puff or just expand? This will be a surprise. It's my first time to do this as well, so stay with me. Really, it has the smell of an authentic chicharron, but would it taste like the real thing? Let's find out. 30 more seconds. Almost. You've heard it. That's the 4th minute. Curious? Can you hear it? Now the reveal. Never heard before on YouTube, popping chicharron. Let's taste it. I'm really happy. Of course, there are still some that are not yet cooked. I'll cook them further. I think 7 pieces. In fairness to the product, it's my microwave because the power focus is no longer uniform. So again, this one. I gave it 2 minutes. But I'm extremely satisfied with this one. Imagine instant chicharron. It even tastes better than the ones being sold in the buses, really. I'm being honest. For chicharron without a dip, I'll prepare I'm really delighted with this invention. Instant chicharron. Extremely happy. Of course, since it's dipped in vinegar, it's best consumed with beer. I'll get a beer. By the way, it's non-alcoholic. It is alcohol-free. Again. It's been fun making this express chicharron, and I hope you get inspired to make this as well. What are you waiting for? Make some chicharron today. We'll return next week with our regular, more serious recipes here on Channel 1 as we grow, cook and share. Your Kuya here, Romulo, and I'd like to see you on the next video. Extremely happy.